All right, from there, let me now just shift the focus to the big political story which is brewing here in fact, West Bengal. The fight over the chief secretary of the state of West Bengal between the centre and the state government, ladies and gentlemen, is only escalating, with Mamata Banerjee just a short while back announcing that the CS Alban Banerjee is not going anywhere. Now, this has created a huge, in fact, issue, and as we speak, she has said that the West Bengal Chief Secretary will be joining her, or the former Chief Secretary now will be joining her as an advisor from tomorrow. Didi said Bengal wants his service to control the pandemic. Earlier in the day, Mamata Banerjee wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the centre order to recall West Bengal Chief Secretary Alban Bandyopadhyay, calling it a unilateral decision. Alban didn't report to Delhi as North Block and instead reached the state secretariat to join Mamata Banerjee there. Now, Alban has was recalled hours after a controversy erupted over Mamata Banerjee skipping Prime Minister's review meeting on Cyclone Yas.
CM West Bengal has written detailed letter to Prime Minister as to why he cannot be relieved. Our priority is COVID and cyclone. It may be mentioned that perhaps the central government may not be aware that when I have received the letter, before that, Sri Bandyopadhyay has superannuated from afternoon of 31st May 2021 as his normal date of retirement is 31st May 2021. Hence, his services are no longer available to join the central government tomorrow as given in today's order. अब सबसे ज़्यादा चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो बड़ा ब्यूरोक्रेट होता है उसको आप जस्ट बुला के लेते हैं. It never happens within these 74 years. They did not mention in the letter for what reason they want that Alban Bandyopadhyay CS will join Government of India. What purpose? What is the reason? That they did not mention. They only mentioned the rule, one rule they quoted, 6 clause 1. That rule said that center and state detailed consultation should be there. But no detailed consultation is there.
No effort, no initiative was taken by the central government to ask for consensus from the state government. Without doing so, behind the back of the state government, behind the knowledge of the chief minister, an arbitrary, vexatious order was passed by the central government, which is expressly illegal, and it must be deprecated and cancelled.
जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सिस्टम है वो अहंकार और अराजकता का बंधक बन गया है. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सिस्टम को अहंकार और अराजकता ने हाईजैक कर लिया है और चोरी और सीनाजोरी. आपने संविधान की शपथ लेकर के मुख्यमंत्री बने हैं तो आपको संवैधानिक मूल्यों, संवैधानिक संस्थाओं का सम्मान करना ही होगा. अगर आप नहीं करेंगे तो निश्चित तौर से संविधान अपना काम करेगा.